I'm meteorologist Carl Bonak. Welcome to Upper Michigan Source Weather on Demand for December 4th and 5th. On the 4th, at least up to late afternoon, the high was 26, the low 24. Then temperatures rose some and then began to fall. The snow fell too. The heaviest snows during this last bout of snow was in the western UP. Silver City, 7 inches of snow. Twin Lakes, 7 inches. 5 inches from our weather watcher at Paynesville, and at Escanaba, 1.4, but the total over a couple of days was nearly 6 inches. 3.2 inches at Van Meer before the change over to freezing rain and then rain. Here's the system here. It's heading up to the north-northeast, and the real story is the cold. The cold that spread over much of Canada now has dropped into the northern Rockies and Plains and will continue to move to the east. That's because we expect that low to lift to the north, and on its underside we expect the west to southwest winds to bring in the cold on Thursday. Temperatures should actually fall during the day, and you can see the weather pattern. We've got a deep trough of low pressure that's developed over the western U.S., which will basically stay there, but the cold will continue to spread out, and despite the southwest flow aloft, be moving to the east into the eastern portion of the country. Plenty of sunshine for much of the UP on Friday. However, snow will still fall in the Copper Country, mainly on westerly winds as that big low sits up to the north of us. Arctic high pressure in western Canada will then drop into the northern plains on Saturday. We still expect a westerly wind. We still expect snow showers, mainly in the Copper Country. Some could sneak into the northeastern UP. The core of the coldest air will likely be over us during the day on Saturday. Out to the west, new low pressure in this trough will redevelop out in the plains and could bring us some snow and a slight moderation in temperatures for a time late in the weekend into early next week. Your TV 6-day forecast: look for high temperatures only in the teens to around 10 degrees west on Friday. We'll say the single numbers into the teens from west to east on Saturday, and then some slight moderation with less wind on Sunday. That system comes along, let's say Sunday night into Monday with some snow, and then back to bitter cold by Tuesday.